What's up, guys? Mower Medic 1 here. Hey, we got a John Deere 950M with a no start. We've pretty much already diagnosed it to be a starter issue, but let me show you what it's doing and what the customer complaint is. Basically, what we've got here is the customer says that it keeps blowing the main fuse. This one's a good fuse. Let me go ahead and stick it back down in the holder. All right, my compadre is gonna turn the switch over and we're gonna see if that fuse blows again. All right, hit it. Just hold it down. Oh, yep, popped it. Popped that fuse bigger than doo-doo. All right, so what we're gonna do, that's considered a hard blow. A soft blow might not be as, as violent as a pop. So we know we got a direct short somewhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect the purple wire off of the solenoid right there. And we're gonna test to see if we're getting 12 volts to our purple wire. Yeah, let me take this old fuse out. I'm gonna reinstall a good fuse. Got a fresh fuse in. Our main power to the starter is disconnected. I'm gonna get my compadre to come start it for me. Yeah, forgot about that. We're gonna hook that to the purple wire. Got our red lead hooked up to the purple wire, and we're gonna ground. You can use the engine bolt, but I'm just gonna stick it to the battery here. All right, we're gonna hit that starter switch. We got the red lead hooked up to the purple wire, and I'm gonna go to ground here. Hit that switch. Here we go, 1263 battery voltage. So we know now it's not blowing. We know without a shadow of a doubt that either our solenoid or our starter, one of the two, but we're not going to replace the solenoid or we're just going to replace the starter. It's shorted out. First thing I'm going to do is remove the negative battery cable.
Let me go.
We're going to start taking this starter off. Take the main wiring harness off first. It's connected to the starter body. Yeah, it's on there, ain't it?
Yeah, it ain't been broke loose.
First time this starter's probably been changed.
Yes.
Don't take it all the way out just yet, and then
Okay.
take this or loosen this one right here.
This one. Damn. Oh well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's just see if it's loose.
Okay.
Yeah, we're headed in the right direction now, bud.
I'm gonna take it completely off.
When we go back with it, we're gonna leave these straps off.
Okay.
We're not gonna put that back on. It just gets in the way. Finish taking out that one.
Okay.
That's got the wire that goes to the regulator.
Okay.
And at that point, the starter should slide down. Let me see if I can. There we go. And then what we'll have to do is pull it out enough to get to the wires on the bottom. It's gonna be a tight mother booger to get in there.
Oh man.
Hold on, folks. Let me disconnect some stuff right here. Get this out of the way. All right, now we can get the starter to where we can get these wires off. So the ones we need to disconnect are this one. So just pull that boot back.
Don't know where to put nothing.
kind of pry it up from here. Kind of pull it up.
Hell,
And just do it with your finger.
you get it?
Yeah. Okay. So let's disconnect that one. That should be a 13. All right, loosen that. And we'll slide all of the power wires off of that stud. Here, I'll hold that nut for you.
I can put it in this paper.
You're gonna need it pretty quick. Okay, so we got, what colors are those? We got a small red.
Two smalls and one black.
Shouldn't be no black one in there.
Purple, maybe.
Just the 3 you got there in your hand. You can let that go. That's not gonna hurt nothing.
Take it out.
It's out of there.
Okay.
I'm just trying to see. For reference, we've got a 3, it's 3 reds, so
3 reds.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
That dark one?
Yeah, those 2,
And then this one.
and then that little one there,
Okay.
and the nut. I'm gonna go ahead and cinch that down with your wrench. We just need to that right there. That one started. Now we're gonna start this bolt. You don't want to tighten them up. You want to tighten them even, because you'll never get the screw started if you crank one down and yeah, it's a 10.
Okay.
All right. It's always easier to push the ratchet than it is to pull it.
Yeah. Oh, what did I do with this?
It goes right here when we get done.
Okay.
Just that bolt goes through these 2 grounds, and we're going to hook it right here. Oh my gosh, guys, you're not going to believe this. With all that confusion, we didn't even hook up the main battery wire. We got to take this starter back off. And lastly, we'll just snug down the negative battery cable. Lastly, we'll hook up our purple wire, our 12-volt sense wire that energizes the solenoid and the starter and everything else. Like that. Everything's hooked up, starter's hooked up. Hit it. Choke.
In a minute.
Good job, old bean.
About wore me out. Hey, you got that thing off, put it back on faster than I did.
Well, I've done them before. Hey guys, we got that no start taken care of. That's a diag and a repair. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're there doing that, go ahead and click that bell to get all my new videos. Y'all have a good day. Mower Medic 1.